Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you where you can find the Woodchat Shrike in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. Let me show you my bird watching diary. And I'm going to open the information about the Woodchat Shrike. Okay, this one. And basically guys, you can capture this bird in any weather during the sunny days, rainy days, or rainbow event. And for the location, you can find this bird around the suburbs. I'm going to show you guys on the map. Okay, now I'm on the suburb. Okay, you can find this bird right here or here. And I think I've just seen the bird, but it's already gone. Okay, you can explore the suburb area and you will be able to find the Woodchat Shrike. If I'm not mistaken, I captured this bird here. And wait, let me show you again guys how the bird looks like. Okay, like this. Where is it? Okay. It has brown color. And okay guys, that's how you can find the Woodchat Shrike bird in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!